Hello, my name is Marnie Old, the Boisset sommelier, and today we are tasting single vineyard Chardonnays from DeLoach, which makes some of the finest Chardonnay and Pinot Noir wines in the Russian River Valley. One of my favorites is the Ritchie Vineyard that we're tasting today, and Ritchie has so much depth and so much character, so much complexity, you'd almost mistake it for a great Merceau or French Burgundy. When we talk about Chardonnay wines, we're often talking about white wines that are at the heavier end of the style spectrum. A little bit more weight, a little bit more texture than what you might associate with Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio. But that's exactly what makes these wines so extraordinarily well suited to fine dining and great cuisine. They need foods that have a little bit of weight and richness themselves. So it's best to stay away from the low-fat diet when you're getting into rich Chardonnays like this one. We can go into fish, meat, poultry. This wine could even handle a beautiful steak seared in butter with some sauteed mushrooms. Mwah! Absolutely ideal. So think of that next time you're trying the Ritchie Chardonnay. Just because it's white wine doesn't mean you have to choose white meats.